Welcome to today's class, children. In our last class, we discussed about slow and fast change, reversible and irreversible change. So, slow change is a change which takes longer duration of time. Fast change takes shorter duration of time. Reversible change can be reversed by changing the cause, and irreversible change cannot be reversed even after changing the cause. Okay. So, today's class, let us discuss about the physical and chemical change. So what is a physical change? A change in which no new substance is formed is called a physical change. Here, a new substance will not be formed, and since a new substance is not formed, you call it as a temporary change. So it is also an reversible change. Coming to chemical change, a change in which a new substance is formed. So here new substance will be formed and it is a permanent change where you cannot get back the substance again. So it is also an irreversible change. The examples of physical change are glowing of bulb, tearing of paper, melting of ice, etc. And the examples of chemical change are cooking of food, growth of a child, burning of fuels, etc. So here are some examples of reversible and irreversible changes. That is melting of ice. So here you can see the ice which is getting melted, and again on cooling it changes again back to ice. And here the cutting of a cauliflower or boiling of a cauliflower. So these two are the examples of reversible change. Coming to irreversible change, you can see the first picture, that is growth of a plant. A seed which is grown into a baby plant, and the baby plant is grown into a small sapling. The sapling is growing. So you can see that there is a change in the growth, and slowly that becomes as a tree. So here from a tree we cannot get back the sapling again. The second example shows that curd, that is a milk changing into a curd. So from a curd, we cannot get back the milk again. So these two are the examples of irreversible changes. So this is about the reversible and irreversible changes. Children, hope you understood this reversible and irreversible changes. So far we discussed about the slow and fast change, physical and chemical change, reversible and irreversible change. So this irreversible is also an example of chemical change, and the previous one what we saw, this is reversible, this is also an example of a physical change. That is why physical change is also called as reversible change, and chemical change is also called as irreversible change, where a new substance is formed. Thank you, children. Have a wonderful day.